Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I will show you how to create a blog on Framer step by step. So whether you are a beginner or an advanced user, Framer makes it easy to design and publish a beautiful, responsive blog without coding. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to set up a Framer website, how to design a blog layout, how to add and manage blog posts, and then how to customize SEO settings and publish your blog. So here guys, first is setting up a new blog on Framer. So let's set up your blog on Framer. So visit the Framer and log in or sign up. And then you can now click and create new project to start a blank site. So here, you'll be able to see here, this is the main dashboard of your workspace. You just need to create new project. At the top right corner, just tap on the blue button. You'll be able to see there a new project. So here, and then you can choose a blog template or start from scratch. So here, you can use a Framer template with a built-in blog features, or select a blank canvas and design from scratch. So set up your site name and domain. You can click on site settings, then enter your blog name, choose a Framer subdomain, or connect your custom domain. So here guys, on designing the blog layout, the first thing is right after you create your new page, you are now going to design the blog list page. So you can add a header section with your blog name or your blog logo. Of course guys, you can use a grid layout to display blog post reviews. And then you can go to add a read more button for each post guys. So in setting up blog post pages, you can click on add page and name it blog post. So you can add text blocks for the title, date, and the content there. You can also include an image section for featured images. Use a dynamic data block to pull blog content. So here, on adding and managing blog posts, first one is enable the CMS for dynamic blog posts there. You can click on CMS in the left sidebar, and you can add a new CMS collection which is called blog post. So the first thing I'm doing here is I am going to add some sections here, and depending on you guys. So you can choose either you want a dark theme or depending on you. So here, so I'm going just to add another pages here. And that's it guys. So in creating fields guys, you need to create fields for title, date, content, and featured image. So you can now connect blog posts to your CMS. You are just going to open the blog post page and then link text and images to the CMS blog post collection. So you can set the page URL structure to blog. And then of course guys, create a blog list from the CMS. And on the blog page guys, you can add a collection list, bind it to the blog post collection to display posts dynamically. And before publishing guys, you need to optimize your blog for an SEO. So you can add SEO meta titles and descriptions, open the site settings which is SEO, and there you can add a meta title and description using dynamic CMS fields. So optimize blog posts for search engines. You can use keywords in titles and headings, and add alt text to images for better accessibility. And then in enabling open graph and social sharing settings, you can publish your blog, and there you'll be able to see on the top right corner the publish right after you are done. So here, that's it guys. So just follow the steps what I'm doing here. So here guys, this setup ensures that every blog post has the necessary data points, the title, the content, the images, the date, and the URL structure. So for proper display and organization on your blog page, let's break down each field in detail how they function in this website. So the slug guys, which is the text field. So a slug is a unique identifier for each blog post that forms part of the URL. So it ensures that SEO-friendly URLs and allows visitors to access specific posts directly. So, if your blog title is How to Start a Business, the slug could be how-to-start-a-business. So, this means, guys, your blog post URL will be something like starting from the HTTPS. So, here, you'll be able to see this one. So, in the date guys, this is the field stores the published date of the blog post. This helps source blog post chronologically and can be displayed on the blog post page to let readers know when the content was published. So, the main body of the blog post where the article is written, which is the content, is where all the text, the images, the links, and then the embedded content go. So here, how these fields work together in Framer CMS. So when creating a new blog post in Framer CMS, you input values for each field, and then the Framer dynamically pulls this data to generate a unique blog post for each post. So that's it guys. Right here, you'll be able to see that one. And make sure guys, this Framer use high quality images and they can enable comments on social sharing. You can keep your post consistent and test on mobile and desktop. And of course, the last one is you can use Google Analytics here and track visitor starts and improve. And that's it guys on how you create a blog on Framer. So if you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more web design tips. Thank you and goodbye.